Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the inside dashboard of Clickfunnels.com. And Clickfunnels.com is a page creation system, a contact manager, and a system to statistically analyze your marketing. It allows you to manage your payment systems as well as to manage your third-party marketing systems, including email, webinar systems, messaging systems, physical product delivery, and marketing automation. Now, in this course, we'll be walking through the technical process of getting up and running with a basic ClickFunnels system for sale. Whether you already have systems in place for your marketing or you're just getting started, you will be able to use this course in order to integrate ClickFunnels into your business. And we'll start the process in the next video by looking at your pricing options and then moving on to your account settings. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.